I will come to long peace in my hand, will black and receive broken glasses toward me, pushing on my limit. I will swallow, I will sound the weather, the force inside my head. The